Hi, welcome to Inspire UI. This is the 39th video in the series, How to Create Mobile Apps Using the FluxBuilder App Builder. In this video, we will introduce the new grid view on FluxBuilder and the new way to zoom in, zoom out the simulator. Sign in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the app you created, or select any of the apps in the Featured App section below. This is a grid view that makes it easy for you to align when designing your app's UI. Click here to disable or enable grid view. Now you can quickly zoom in or zoom out the emulator by using two fingers to zoom in or out of it. Use your mouse to drag the simulator. It's really convenient, isn't it? That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.